Crypto goats, are you ready for a trading bot like you've never seen before? No, you're gonna say, what the heck, man? I've heard of every trading bot, but I don't think you've heard of this one. This is CodeBot. We're gonna jump in, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Okay, crypto goats. This is the one, the only, it's CodeBot. Now, what makes this so special? Well, we can see right here this works with OpenAI, and you only rock if you get a result. Yes. So, CodeBot rocks half of what you get, and nothing is charged, as well as no deposit fee, no management fee. These are gone, we charge again, and the one big thing, guys, always do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So this is a trading bot. It jumps on brokers, exchanges. It connects via API, so it executes automated buy, sales, ready to go, and you can start for free and only rock when it gets profit. And they have an awesome partnership. That's one thing you can do. Plus, there is very simple stuff, no custody API, ready to go. Yes, it is free, non-custodial, open AI, and you can see how it works. You just make an account, connect your API, activate it, and only rock when you get a result. That's why it's so exciting. No, there is no guarantee, crypto goats. As you know, everything can change, and you might have good, bad, whatever it is, and you also have the affiliate opportunity to let your friends know. So with your trader affiliate in a community ready to go, you can do this, and we have the level breakdown as you let your friends know. And there's even different ways to get in. No, it does not hold anything. Yes, you can start for free. So let's go ahead and take a look. So what you'll want to do is either click up here or down here, or click start for free with the CodeBot. Then here, crypto goats, you want to do your email. Then we can do that. And you're ready to go. It'll verify. And you hit connect account. And you can see it here, crypto goats, how you'll up here and you could just save and rock. You can get this right here on your computer. And here we can see the API where to put our information, the bot control, and what you need to do it right here. Now, to get started, you will rock some USDC or USDT right here, and it's right secure, so it's good to go, and you can do that. Now, crypto goats, you can see all the operations here, real time. Statistics, exchanges, that it's ready to go, Binance, Bybit, Mexi, and everything, as well as your profile. We just created the roadmap for all the big things, one bot, one token, and how you can check it out with the max supply. How much you get for the team, airdrop, and everything else, the token, and we're good to go. Plus, you can jump here and let people know, and you can see your user right here. So it is all here for you, crypto goats. Makes it so much easier. So, if you're ready to get your bot rockin', then you can do what I did right here. Plus, you get your awesome profile, everything you need, and you can share this with your friends. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.